Is chicken fight Illuminati? Let us examine. Chicken Fight is a Denver event taking place on May 21st featuring fried chicken and whiskey. May 21st is the day Charles Lindbergh landed in Paris. France is the leading consumer of whiskey in the world. Coincidence? French fries has 11 letters. Keanu Reeves also has 11 letters. Keanu Reeves starred in John Wick and The Matrix. Both John Wick 4 and The Matrix 4 will be released on May 21st, 2021. Chicken Fight is also on May 21st. Illuminati. Let us dig deeper. John Wick has 8 letters. Neo has 3 letters. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Keanu Reeves has 11 letters. Coincidence? We must look deeper. Patrick Swayze was People magazine's sexiest man alive in 1991. 1991 was also the year Keanu Reeves and Patrick Swayze made Point Break. Colonel Sanders died in 1980. 1991 minus 1980 equals 11. There are 11 herbs and spices in Kentucky Fried Chicken. Need further evidence? In all John Wick films combined, John Wick kills 299 people. $2.99 is the price of 4-piece chicken tenders at KFC. Coincidence? There is more. John Wick gets tired after using force. Baby Yoda becomes tired after using the force. John Wick and Baby Yoda have 8 letters. Coincidence? Baby Yoda has 3 fingers. KFC has 3 letters. A triangle has 3 sides. The evidence is irrefutable, but there is more. Country music was invented in 1927. Jack Daniels learned to make whiskey when he was 6. 27 minus 6 is 21. 21 is the legal age to gain admission to Chicken Fight and drink whiskey. Chicken Fight has country music and whiskey. Chicken Fight is Illuminati confirmed.